Legendary Impossible.
And I'm Lauren.
And welcome to Balloon Popping Stapler Battle. Let's go!
Stop, Reese, stop.
The rules for this battle are simple. First, we shoot balloons. Top 2 people to shoot the most balloons move on to the finale, where it'll be pretty cool. So, let's get at them.
Anyone could win, but I mean, in the end, it'll probably be Lucas because he always wins every battle.
I'm Lucas. A lot of people say they're sick of me winning, but I'm not really good at, I don't practice my stapler shooting, but like I will, and it'll be the stapler master. Someone's like, hey Lucas, let me hang my Christmas lights up. Bam, 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 they're up.
So you do practice.
Maybe.
Okay. I'm gonna win. So it's obvious.
All right.
I mean, I've never used a stapler gun before, but you know, I hope I'll just shoot some balloons and win this, so peace.
All right, Brendan's up first. Oh. What? Bob! Don't Bob! Let me do the rest. How do you, no, stop, Reese, stop.
But we don't need him.
No, we. All right, I'm up next. Hopefully you guys be rooting for me. Team Lucas is the way to go.
Shut up.
Let's do it. Stop. All right, so me and Brendan tied. The 4th one I popped, but I got it like right after we ran out of time. So me and Brendan are tied. I feel good about it right now. Go. How do you feel after that? We'll talk later. Reese is up next. Since me, Reese, and Brendan all tied with 3, we are all heading to the finale.
What up?
So any 3 of us could win. That's a bit ridiculous.
Triple threat. Let's go.
Let's do this. All right, in this finale, first person to pop a balloon backwards wins it.
We're breaking free. We're breaking, we're breaking,
A lot better.
we're breaking free. All this time I saw you coming from the
It'll probably be Lucas because he always wins every battle. But Brendan and I are gonna try and make that possible. Make that not possible. That was a good sentence. That's why I'm not in the AP English.
Oh, no way. Cancel out time. We have to cancel out. No way.
2 chances to cancel out, or I win.
Wish me luck.
You hit,
Well,
you hit
Brendan,
the ground.
good luck, my dude. Why won't this pop? I'm mad. Ah! Go away.
Do it.
Wait, remember what? Thank you guys for watching Balloon Popping Stapler Battle. I think that's what we're gonna call it. Make sure you subscribe to Lauren, and yeah, that
Link will be in bio.
I'm sorry I failed you.
Click up here to watch our last video. Click up there to watch the video before that. Reese won 1 stapler. Give me my stapler. Reese won that stapler. Yeah.
Bye.
Stop, bro.
You kidding me? That's not even funny.
Yeah, all Reese does is hit my tripod. Every time we hang out to do trick shots, my tripod is hit.